is a late video, but actually it's better than nothing, right? Actually, a lot of my friends bought this lifting serum from me, but they're not sure how to use it. So actually, I promised them to do a video for them to use this to actually do the lifting. Okay, I'm going to do one side of my face. Okay, later you see what's the difference. Okay, for this volume lift, right? Actually, you just pump a few, or you can see just pump 2 pumps. It has a secured lock here actually, so you can just pump two pumps here. This, okay. What I would suggest to people who use the volume lift, you apply one side of the face first. Okay, after that, when you're ready to do the second part of your face, then you apply the other way, the other side. Okay, so you can apply here when you want to lift the cheekbones here, the 苹果肌 here, and also your here, your jawline here. Okay, if not enough, you just pump a bit more for the jawline here. You see, actually the Mary Kay serum is very 细 很细 You see, it can actually easily absorb into my skin really. Right. Okay, so we are going to do a 1 minute lifting. Okay, just press here once. Okay, then you start lifting from the bottom all the way up, and you hold it up there for a while. Okay, slowly lift it up. You can see, doing the slow lifting of this. 4, 5. Okay, then from here you can actually do a lifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you can massage your temple here and from here, so you can just do a lifting. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for here, pull it up. 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see the lifting effect here. Just pull it up here and stop here for a while. Okay, so this is a 1 minute massaging, lifting of your face. You can see at the side. Can you see the lifting? You can see the difference. You see here it is a bit lifted up compared to here, right? You can see? Okay, can you see the difference? Yeah, this is 1 minute. So after that, for your face, right, the other side you can do another minute. Same thing from here all the way up, and also from here all the way. That's it.